Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to download and use NOH board. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do, sit over into your browser, look up NOH board for OBS, and then as you see on the OBS forums from the OBS website, you'll see the NOH board v1.3, or maybe it's more, who knows when you're watching this in the future. Go ahead and download the zip file for this. And I actually just downloaded this today as well. And then from here, you're going to see the NOH board rewrite. Just go ahead and extract it. Once it extracts, go ahead and open it up. Now you can open up NOH board, and then you'll see it's actually a blue screen. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is right click and then just press load keyboard, and then you'll be able to choose between your category of keyboards and all the different keyboards that you want to use. I like to use the JOAO category, and the second one down tends to be the best. And then to go ahead and use it in your OBS, let's go ahead and open up your thing, go to plus, go to window capture, okay, and then it automatically defaults to NOH board for me. If it didn't with you, just make sure you go to it, and then from there, all you're going to want to go ahead and do, maybe I could find like a nice place for this, is right click it, filters, add filter, chroma key, okay. Now you have just your mouse and keyboard being tracked with the NOH keyboard. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.